Lot of oil. Second thing is you need to make sure the temperature is enough hot. In Vietnam, we put a chopstick in there. Okay, you go everything. Go together. Be careful, please. Yes. Go everything.
이 솜씨는 뭐지?
Later you will see them floating.
플러팅.
And then they golden
표면은
brown.
익는다고.
And the products we need to make sure they crispy. 바삭바삭. Yes.
바삭바삭.
They no oily. Inside them really fresh.
제가 이제
Look at that. Here it's more hotter. Now they're floating, but not yet done. Later they float completely. We will take out. And then remember, when you take out, you have to maximum the fire. Because if you up the fire, you minimum the fire, the temperature is not enough, they will stuck the oil. Temperature must be enough when you take out everything. So now we go.
크리스피. 오 무서워. 무서워.
Like this. Ah.
네, 찌찜하면서도 무서워하니까 안 시켜.
They're floating. They're floating. They golden brown. Okay, go take out. 짜요.
한국 가서 또 짜줘. 짜줘네.
짜요.
짜요.
예, 가만히 이러니 나. Wait.
색깔 한국 바삭바삭하고 기름지지는 않다. 안에는
I
신선하다.
would like to take a picture with five of you in the first one, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much for choosing our cooking class during your vacation in Phu Quoc.